So, hello friends, once again welcome. I hope you all are good. And today, once again, here I'm going to talk about new program in C, and that will teach us how to input a string using one another function other than scanner. So, without wasting time, so let's open that code blocks. You can also run it online, maybe using mobile apps. So here same that comment is here. Here is header file. Here is preprocessor directory. This part is directory. This is main function. Here is variable I have used here. So let's change the variable. So I'm just writing here name. So printf enter your strings is okay. So instead of printf, we can put here. We are talking about the puts and gets. So we are using puts. Enter your name, so slash n. So not scanf, it is we are going to use gets name. After that this, so either we can use this or we can use puts puts name. So making it comment here for a while. Now, so let's compile it first. Let's save it first. Finished. Let's run it. So I'm going to write here Krishna Thakure. So we can see here I entered there Krishna Thakure and it also displayed same name Krishna Thakure. Now how did it work? So let's talk about this in detail. So this is a variable name. This 100 it is a string literal or we say integer number and says about the maximum character it can accept. Puts it is a function and this function it exists inside this stdio.h, and what this function says there, it is used to display this string which is inside the double quote. We can also use variable, and here we don't need to uh, use puts f, it is not supported. So puts it works just like printf. So actually I'm just printing enter your name. This gets it is just like scanf. It is just like scanf an input function, but one thing is in scanf we use the percent, but in this gets we don't need to use the percent specify, we don't need to use there, just we have to put here this variable name we are going to input, and after that it is done. Now same we want to display on the screen, so let's put puts here and give the name of variable where data is stored. So name we can say, instead of puts we can also use print, it will work there. So let's run once again. So we can see here Roman Singh Karki from Katia. So this is how it works. So it's very simple to understand puts and gets. But one thing is there, I just said that in the scanf we use this percent, frequently we use that. In gets it does not support that, we don't need to use that. Similarly, while displaying data, simply we have to use variable here, we don't need to put their percent any specifier there. So it's very simple to understand. I think you understood it, and you became clear about this, how to use puts and gets. But one advantage of gets is there. Uh, we can use white space while inputting our data, so it accepts that. But nowadays, actually, this gets and puts functions, they are obsolete. They are not in use. So it depends totally on us whether you want to use it or not. If you want to use it, it's okay. If you don't want to use it, it's okay. Some online compilers may display there that actually it is not in use when you run online this program. So thank you guys. Once again, press like button if you want to this program. Please subscribe if you have already. I hope that you have already subscribed this channel, and just tell your friends to subscribe it, share with your friends, whoever is there, and not the matter where he or she is studying, just share with your friends and tell him or her that, oh, actually this programming just make all the doubts clear, and just it is friendly and it is quite understandable. So once again, I'll see you next video. uh, till then, take care, goodbye, stay blessed.